Welcome to the DoorDesk Visitor Check-in app. Today, we will guide you step by step on how you can easily manage visitor check-ins and checkouts at your front desk or reception. Let's begin with the login process. On the DoorDesk tablet or iPad screen, you will see the email login option. Enter your registered email address and tap on Next. Your email should have global admin or location admin access. You will now have two ways to log in. First, using a password, simply enter your password and sign in. Second, passwordless sign-in, where an OTP, a one-time password, will be sent to your email. Enter the OTP to log in securely. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of locations. Select your correct workplace location. As soon as you choose the location, you will reach the DoorDesk welcome screen. Now you are ready to manage your visitors. Let's talk about visitor check-in. On the home screen, you will see the check-in button. When you tap it, you will get three options: first-time visitor, scan QR code, and repeat visitor. Choosing the correct option for each visitor is very important. Let's first look at the first-time visitor check-in flow. For a first-time visitor, tap on check-in on the home screen, and then tap on the first-time visitor button. This starts the manual check-in process. Now you will need to fill the visitor's details. The form includes basic fields such as full name, contact number, email address, company name, host name, purpose of visit, like personal, sales, or official, address, optional, and remarks for any additional notes. To select a host, type the host's name in the search box. For example, typing John will show a card like John Deo, Administration. Tap on the host card to select the host. This is important because the host will receive a notification. After entering the details, the next step is to capture the visitor's photo. Ask the visitor to position their face inside the circle shown on the screen. Tap the shutter button to take the photo. If the photo looks good, tap Next. If not, tap Retake to capture it again. Once the photo is captured, a confirmation screen will appear. You will get two options here: if a printer is connected, tap Print to print the visitor badge, or tap Done to complete the check-in. As soon as the check-in is completed, the host receives a notification instantly, and the visitor's entry is saved in the logs. Now let's see the check-in flow using the Scan QR code option. This flow is for visitors who are pre-registered and already have a visitor pass or QR code. Tap to check in on the home screen and select the Scan QR code option. You will now enter the QR scanner view. Ask the visitor to show their QR pass and place the QR code inside the camera frame. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible. If scanning is not possible for any reason, you can manually enter the access code displayed above. Once the QR code or access code is validated, DoorDesk automatically fetches all the visitor details. This saves time because you do not have to fill the form manually. Next, the visitor's photo is captured again. Ask them to position their face inside the circle and tap the shutter button. If the photo is correct, tap Next. Otherwise, tap Retake. After the photo, you will see the confirmation screen where you can tap Print to print the badge or tap Done to complete the check-in. The host receives the notification instantly, and the check-in is recorded in the system. Now let's look at the repeat visitor check-in flow. This flow is for people who have already visited your office before and whose details are already saved in the system. Tap to check in on the home screen and select the repeat visitor option. To identify the visitor, you will get two options: mobile number or email address. Enter the same mobile number or email they used during their previous visit and tap Next. The DoorDesk system will automatically fetch the visitor's previous details, such as name, company, and last visited host. If required, you can update any details. Next, capture the visitor's photo. Ask them to place their face in the circle, tap the shutter button, and then tap Next. Finally, A confirmation screen will appear, where you can print the badge or tap Done to complete the check-in. The host is notified immediately, and the entire repeat visitor check-in process is completed within seconds. Now let's look at the visitor checkout flow. Checking out visitors is important for security and keeping accurate visitor records. On the home screen, at the right, you will see the checkout button. When the visitor is ready to leave, tap on this button. On the checkout screen, you will get the following options: code, enter the visitor code printed on the visitor pass, or scan the QR code from the visitor pass. Email, enter the same email used at check-in. Mobile, enter the same mobile number used during check-in. After entering the correct details, the system verifies them and shows a checkout confirmation message. The visitor's exit time is recorded in the visitor log. Always ensure that visitors are checked out when they leave the premises. Now let's look at how to change device settings. On the home screen, tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. A pop-up will appear asking for the settings PIN. You can get this PIN from your admin or from the Devices tab in the DoorDesk web app. Enter the correct PIN to open the settings panel. Tap on the Visitor section first. In the Visitor settings, you can enable or disable Capture Visitor Photo, allow QR code check-in, Capture Document, OTP verification, Show NDA or agreement screen, Visitor pass printing, Require host selection, Require vehicle info, and show or hide form fields like email, address, etc. Now let's look at the display settings. Go back and tap on the display section. Here, you can change the button background color, button text color, and general font color to match your company's branding. Remember to tap Save after making changes. To apply any setting or display change, you must clear the DoorDesk app from the background and reopen it. Only then will the new settings apply properly. Now let's talk about the visitor log. This feature helps you view the list of visitors and their real-time status. First, you need to enable the visitor log. Go to Settings, enter the PIN, scroll down in Visitor Settings, and enable the Show Visitor Log option. Then clear the app from the background and reopen it. Once enabled, you will see the visitor's icon at the bottom left corner of the welcome screen. This is your visitor log. Inside the visitor log, you will see a list of visitors along with their status, such as accepted by host, pending, rejected, or checked out. Tap any visitor entry to see full details, including their name, email, mobile number, host name, company, and check-in status. From this screen, you can also reprint the visitor pass or directly check out the visitor. You will also see a filter icon near the search bar. Using filters, you can view visitors by their status like all, invited, pending, accepted, checked in, or checked out. A calendar icon is also available on the top right corner, which allows you to filter visitors by date, such as today's visitors or yesterday's visitors. This helps you easily track and manage daily visitor traffic. The entire DoorDesk Visitor Check-in system makes your front desk smarter, more secure, and completely paperless. It enhances the visitor experience and helps maintain accurate security records. If you ever need assistance, you can contact the DoorDesk support team anytime. Email support@doordesk.co, website www.doordesk.co. Thank you. With the DoorDesk Visitor Check-in app, you are now ready to confidently manage all your visitors.